Good morning, children. This is value education period. Today we are going to see lesson 6. Love is sweet. Take lesson 6. Love is sweet. Okay. Now, everyone, close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes and imagine. Close your eyes, children. Just think. Okay. Now you just think you are sitting in a restaurant. Okay. You are sitting in a restaurant with a family. Okay. Just think you are sitting in a restaurant with a family. Next to the table. Next table, a little child is sitting at the next table. Okay. A little child is sitting at the next table. She is very active, playful, and mischievous. She is very active, playful, and mischievous. Suddenly, she sees you. She jumps out of her chair and comes to you as if she knows you well. Okay. The child sees you and come out to you and behave like she knows you very well. So what will you do? What will you do? Wouldn't you smile back? Wouldn't you smile back? Of course. You smile to the children, right? Wouldn't you smile back? Yes. Would you tickle her chin or offer her a chocolate? You don't know her at all, even though you will tickle her chin or offer her a chocolate. But you feel warm and loving all the same. Most of us love little children, right? Listen, children. Everyone around us looks different, right? Everyone around us looks different. They may wear different clothes, eat different food, or speak a different language, right? But inside, we are all the same. Even though they are wearing different clothes, eat different food, or speak different language, but inside we are all the same. We have similar thoughts, feelings, and problems because all of us belong to one family. What is the family, Ma? The family of human beings. Okay, right? We all are human beings, even though we are wearing different clothes, eat different food, or speak in a different language. So whatever it is different, we all are the family of human being. We must learn to love people as they are. Okay, we must learn to love people as they are. Love makes us want to share, care, and give. Okay, it has to flow out and touch everyone around us. Only then does it have power. We can spread love through our words and actions. It's love only being our words and our actions. Okay. Now, we are going to see a small real life story. The story is given by the book author Usha Jesudasan. Okay. That's a real life story. Listen, children. That is, caring is love. In the year 2004, I think everyone know about it. In the year 2004, a huge tsunami hit Southeast Asia, right? In the year 2004, which year, Ma? 2004, a huge tsunami hit Southeast Asia, right? Many parts of South India were badly affected, right? Many parts of South India were badly affected, and the fisher folk in coastal areas lost everything. Okay, the fisher folk in coastal areas lost everything. About a month after this, the author went to visit Sirgali, which was a badly affected village. Okay, here now Murugeshwari. We are going to see about one girl. Her name is Murugeshwari. She is 9 years old. Okay, Murugeshwari was 9 years old at the time of the tsunami. Okay, on the morning of 26th December, she was on her way to the market to buy tomatoes. Okay, to buy tomatoes for her sister. She is making breakfast. Okay, her sister making breakfast. For that, she is going to buy tomatoes. Okay, to the market. Her mother was cleaning fish that the fisherman had brought in that morning. Her mother cleaning the fish. Suddenly, Murugeshwari heard a strange sound and saw the sea rushing towards her. Okay, Murugeshwari heard a strange sound and saw the sea rushing towards her. The people around her saw this too and urged her to run. But her first thought was to run and warn her sister and mother. Okay. Her first thought was to run and warn her sister and mother to save them. Okay. But before she could go, she saw the sea swallow them both. Terrified, she ran and ran. Murugeshwari later had to go to a refuge camp with her brother. Okay. Her bright eyes filled with tears. As she told to the author her story. She wiped them away with the hem of her skirt. Some children playing nearby saw her wiping her eyes and came running over. Some children playing nearby and saw her wiping her eyes and came running over. They quickly surrounded her, and two of them put their arms around her. They quickly surrounded her, and two of them put their arms around her. We are her friends. Whenever she cries, we try and make her happy, they said. What they said, Ma? We are her friends. Whenever she cries, we try and make her happy. How do you make her happy? The author asked to them. Some of us sleep near her at night. So that she does not miss her mother and sister too much, said one. One girl said, some of us sleep near her at night so that she does not miss her mother and sister too much. Another one girl said, we always hold her hand when we sleep. Okay. Yet, another girl said, I gave her this, pointing to a pretty necklace Murugeshwari was wearing. Okay, Murugeshwari wearing one pretty necklace, right? She is pointing that necklace and told, I gave her to this. Where did you buy it? The author asked to her. The author asked to her, where did you buy this necklace? The girl said, I didn't buy it. It was mine. I gave it to her to make her happy. The girl said, I didn't buy it. It was mine. I gave it to her to make her happy. I didn't have anything to give her, so I asked my mother for some money to buy something, said another girl. I bought her these, she said, pointing to a row of brilliant green glass beads around Murugeshwari's neck. Let's understand. We begin life with love all around us. When we were babies, our mothers loved us and cared for us even when we upset them or troubled them. Right, children? Our mothers loved us always, right? You have troubled them always, or you are making upset them always. So even though your mother loved you a lot, we do not remember this now, but this warmth was our first lesson in love. This mother love is our first lesson, right? Now that we are older, we can show our parents how much we love them. These feelings make us strong and loving. As we grow older, we must be kind even outside the home. We must learn to love people even if they are different, because the whole world is one family. When we love someone, we want to give them the best that we have. It may be the biggest slice of cake. It could be the homework neatly done or our favorite color pencils. Okay. It could just be a hug. When we give love, we also receive it. Right, children? When we give love, we also receive it. Giving and receiving love are the best things in life. Giving and receiving love are the best things in life. The more love we give, the more love we will get. Okay, the more love we will get. This will make the circle of love grow bigger and bigger as we grow older. When we love, we cannot be selfish or greedy. The sweetness of love is a special joy. Okay, from that what we understand? Giving and receiving love are the best thing, right? Now, moral of the story is, we must learn to love people as they are. Okay, we must learn to love people as they are. We can spread love through our words and actions. We can spread love through our words and actions. Okay, children? Thank you.